Well, I mean, we've got
More
60
than
right
20.
now, right? So that's 6.5 full squads dying and giving up, which is not going to happen, even at this rate.
Well,
And then we get another.
I
mean, what's it? Like 2,000 pounds?
I guess it depends whether you're talking short tons or long tons or imperial, customary, or metric, right?
Get pretty technical, bud.
Yeah, don't ask questions you don't want like a half an hour answer to.
That's fair.
We've learned. You will too.
This ain't even our squad. We're just separated from ours. At the moment.
Yeah.
It is now.
Poopar and I are actually in the same squad, but we're separated from our squad.
Yeah.
So now, hey, what's up? We're in your squad.
Yep, exactly, and that's perfectly fine. That's exactly how that should work. You know, you get separated from your unit, you meet up with another unit, do your thing.
See what I mean?
Just like the
You'll figure it
paratroopers
out.
on D-Day.
We made your squad 2 men stronger.
Exactly.
I'm scared.
I don't know if it's gonna be stronger, but there's 2 more men.
that's contact 105.
Mm-hmm. We are weapons free on that armor AT. Everyone else weapons
They're moving
hold.
on it.
AT ready.
Ooh. And let's swing around to the north, guys. Looks like we got a little keyhole open up over here.
What'd you see, boy? What you got? Whoa! Got him, got him, got him.
Nice, nice, nice.
Scout
Very
car out.
nice job. Very nice. Good work. Good work. Good work. Good work, everyone on the infantry and the scout car. Nice.
We said that,
work.
Andy. Thanks.
All right, let's start sweeping north,
I got
guys.
ears on an engine north. Sounds like a logic.
Yeah.
Oh, may I have that? Sorry.
Truth, hold up a sec.
Copy.
You said north.
Yep.
You're out. Thank you.
North, northeast.
Eyes on, 13.
Yep. Also got an
loaded.
AA gun.
Alright, he's gonna get in there.
Long range, and 5 died to multiple RPGs. This is the next objective, most likely.
Okay.
Northeast or northwest. Sorry.
He's down. Scanning. Southwest.
Grenade launcher, you. One right behind me.
Smoke out, boys. Smoke out.
Ooh.
Ow.
Mortar got me.
That's Sappy's fault.
We all down.
Can't feel my legs.
Nice.
Bubba, you ain't got no legs.
Alright, thank those blueberries and give up.
R.I.P.
Yeah, bye,
See you,
boys.
boys.
That was fun.
Someone grab hat kit. I have to run off. Tell
Where
me
you
when
going?
someone's ready.
You got someone having fun?
See you, Zabby.
No, I gotta go hang out with the wife. Is someone ready to grab hat? Ah.
That's fine. We don't need to keep that. Someone grabs it. That's great. But
Right,
see you,
boys.
Sappy.
GG.
Pleasure.
Later, Sappy. I miss Ben.
Alright, Sandy, go ahead and swap to Rifleman now that we're down one.
They were coming from like north, and they also flanked us to the southwest.
Spawn main. Hop in the helo.
Spawn main, do what?
Spawn main, mount in the Blackhawk.
Okay. No, it's this guy.
Swing wide and then come in from that northeast slow, and we should be good.
How many y'all got?
That's it. We're just fire team.
Alright, we go.
Good to go. Alright guys, so if all goes well, we're going to be low altitude hot dropping on the littorals just northwest
So
of the
how
objective.
high, for the water extract, have you done it before?
Not like this. I've done something similar with different pilot, different configuration, different people. But,
Alright.
yeah. Yeah, but lower the better on the final approach. Actually, given the position that AA gun, lower the better once we, oh yeah, don't take us outside the, yeah. Nice. As low as you're comfortable with, and then we go way past to the northwest and come in from the southwest, if that makes sense. Or straight in south, not to the southwest, sorry. Yeah, words. You know what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, I got you.
That way they think we're just going somewhere else, but stand by.
Getting awfully low.
Oh, fuck.
Nicely done. Nicely done. Close call, but yeah, just get as close to that
overshot
littoral so we're
it a
not.
little bit.
Yep, you're good. You're good.
Here we go.
Yeah, a
Go
little
for
closer,
it.
a little more. Yep, lower and yeah,
Taking shots.
lower if you can. Dismount, dismount, dismount.
Ow.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Good to go. Good to go.
Good luck.
Thank you. What? That's not the least of what the great screenshot material. Oh dear. Yeah. Oh dear. Yeah, I should have just run and got a rally down, but I was